We get so many requests from you guys asking for some type of kitchen cart, and while we have some, we don't have one just like this. A lot of you need a place to store your microwaves, your big mixers, you want more counter space.
Coffee makers.
Coffee makers.
We've designed the cutest farmhouse kitchen cart. It's super simple to build, and we're ready to get started.
And don't forget the mating birds.
Birds! Hold on! Here's all you need to build this farmhouse kitchen cart. 2 1x8 boards, 5 1x4 boards, 6 1x3 boards, your nailer, a drill, a miter saw, some casters, and a cute hook. But you don't have to remember them. You can go download the free plans on our website.
The first step in assembly is to build the 4 legs.
So Ash is going to build 2, I'm going to build 2. And one of the greatest things about this design is that we're only going to have to use a nailer to assemble it. So let's get started. So each leg will use 1 1x4 and 1 1x3.
We're going to add a line of wood glue down one edge of the 1x3.
So that's the glue that I just filled for myself because Ashley has glue over there.
Okay. Glue napper. All right, and then we're gonna lay the 1x4 on top of the 1x3 to form an L. And we are going to use 1 1/4 inch brad nails to attach it.
Okay, now that we have the legs built, we are going to build both frames. These are identical frames, and these are made with 1x3 boards. Ash is gonna build one, I'll build the other. And we will attach them using 1 1/4 inch brad nails and wood glue.
This project is so perfect for just a little bit of extra storage space.
The other great thing is we're gonna put it on casters, so when you need it out of the way, you can just push it over in a different room.
Mine's done.
And mine is also. Okay.
So let's attach those legs to the frame. Those 1x4s need to be on the long sides, the 1x3s on the outsides.
That's my 1x3 side. We want to put the 1x4 side on the longer board.
We're going to attach from the inside of the frame so that we don't have the nail holes. If you don't have a nailer, you could use wood screws and pocket holes if you have a Craig jig. This is just so easy.
So now we're going to flip this over. Whoop.
It's looking like a kitchen cart, perfectly square. We get so many questions about our glue bots, and we always put a link in the description box below. It's so amazing because you can glue with it vertical. You just give it a little squeeze, and it never clogs if you keep the lid on it. Okay, the frames are on.
Once they're attached, we have our basic frame of this kitchen cart, and it's time to add those shelf boards.
These are just 1x4 slats that we've already cut down, and we're going to space them about 1/2 inch apart from each other. And we are attaching them with wood glue and 1 1/4 inch brad nails.
2 on the outside will line up flush with the outside, and then the rest will have a gap. Okay. Shelf board's done. Yippee! Now we're adding that cute trim on the side. These are also 1x3 boards. Now, just like every plan that we do, we like to say that the best way to get this measurement is to actually lay the board where it's going to be. Center is going to be 10 1/2. And I have it in place down here, and we're actually going to take a pencil on the underside of this board, and we're going to mark that.
All right, when we flip it over, we're gonna take it to the saw and we're gonna line our blade up right on that line. Ka-chow!
So, we have these cut, and we are going to attach them.
Add a little bit of wood glue.
And let's get it lined up flush. You want it flush on both the top and the bottom. So Ash, you get where you need to be,
flush.
and then I'm gonna kind of adjust them right there. First piece done, now we'll do the same to the next 3.
It's gonna have 3 legs and 5 pieces of trim. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over and do the other side. And look how sturdy it already is, and that is just nails and wood glue. All right, marking center at 10 1/2. So let's flip it upside down and attach the foot pads. And this is gonna allow us to put the casters on the bottom of the cart.
After we get this stained, this will be where we attach our casters. We are on our final step, which is going to be to add the top. Now, when you download these plans, I've given you 2 options for tops. You can use a project panel. Sometimes panels are difficult to find for people. I also designed it where you can use 1x8s. Add some wood glue to the top of the car, and they're each gonna be cut the same length. And we're gonna start with one, we'll work our way down. Spaced and made sure the overhang was good.
To attach the planks to the top, we're going to put a little bit of wood glue on top of the frame. And then we're just gonna attach it with 1 1/4 inch brad nails through the planks and into the frame underneath it.
Do the same thing with the next board. And get that thing attached. All right, guys, that's it. What was that, under an hour of work?
Yep, that's it.
We plan to paint the base of ours and add a coat of stain to the top.
And then we're gonna add a hook for a towel, put some casters on it, and then all we have to do is roll it into the kitchen. But now we need to go find something else to build.
Ooh, good plan.